Hey guys, it's Michael the American Patriot. Just got some requests for a video on how I changed the lights from incandescent to LED and how I got the lights to transfer. So I'm going to do a quick video on that. All the things you need are in the description of the last video I had. I will put them in the description of this video. But the only thing you're going to need for tools is you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to need a Allen wrench, a number 4mm, I believe it is. Let me make sure. Here we go. Yep, a 4mm Allen wrench to go through to take this cover off. Okay, so I've gotten the covers off already. I just want to show what the location is. Where this is your fuse box right there. This is the relay. I have the aftermarket relay in. So you want to take your OEM relay, which is this. Take this out. There are 2 tabs which you have to pull out. And you just put this new relay in. Make sure it's fit in there correctly. Just put this rubber boot on. Okay. And then this sits up here like so. Tuck that in. Okay. And you can put these covers in. On. Alright, that's how they get that relay in. Okay. Now, do the fuses, or do the light bulbs. What you're going to do, I'll just do the front here. You can see that side has the LED already in there. So what you're going to need is that clear lens and the other LED bulb. It goes from from white to yellow. Take a Phillips. You're going to screw on the bottom here. You're going to unscrew it like so. Hold on to that. Do not lose these. Put them right here, or get a bucket like I have there. You just want to twist and pull out. There's your incandescent light bulb. See? Put stuff in the bucket so you don't lose it. Then you just want to take this light bulb, twist it, pull out. Take your LED light bulb, because now you have a relay. Take your LED light bulb, you can put it in here. And you make sure you put it in right. Twist, it should look like that. Alright. And take your new clear ones. It does not have the felt weatherproof on it, but it's still a snug fit, so I have no worries on it. And you just take it and you just twist it. Just like that. Boom. And you'll know you have it right when you do it right. Let me see, one second.